Meet Kendall. Kendall is a Greenville and Goldsboro realtor that lists and sells Greenville and Goldsboro homes. Kendall is working very hard with one of his clients to sell their home. However, his client's home for sale is not getting much activity, and he wants to help his clients any way he can. Kendall has a great idea. Recommend to his clients that they rent their home using a professional property manager. By renting their home to quality tenants for a few years, they can build more equity into their home, get some tremendous tax breaks, and sell the home later on for the price they want. Kendall is leery of turning over his clients to another agency so they can rent their home. He's worried his clients may not come back to work with him to sell their home. With Flagship Property Management, the referred client is guaranteed to be returned to Kendall, and he earns a referral fee of $200. Kendall's next step? Call Flagship Property Management today. Don't lose your clients. Refer them to Flagship Property Management to rent their home.